So what's up next is we're going to put in the drain for the gray water tank. I'll show you. We already have a PEX connection I put in here earlier. I just didn't have the valve yet. So we'll put a little 90 on this and then run the valve over this way. So you can just reach underneath, turn the valve, and drain out, or hook up a hose to it, however you need to do it. So that's going in next. Okay, so as you can see, we got our little creative drain and hose spout here. So that sets us up to pretty much be ready to roll. We'll have to drain some water to test it out, but otherwise it's good to go. And hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.